We go slowly here. I think, okay, look at me here. I'm here. You see me? I look very small. Hey, that's really great. Nice, very nice. Guys, you check. We go like almost 100 feet, 159 up and 390 feet. I don't want to go more. We can go more, but it look really, it's amazing like this. Let's bring us come back home. I heard something.
Go home.
Now check what is my location. And you see, guys, it's go down. Yeah. I want to say exactly when it's going to be landing off. Okay.
Landing.
Let's check what's happening. Exactly from the same place, or it's going to be a little bit far. Okay, it's going to come to me exactly. That's good. That's nice. Look, it's landing now. It's landing. It's landing. Yeah. Wow, that's nice. It's almost the same place, but I'm gonna cancel. I'm gonna cancel it. Let's sell to me here. I'm here. We're gonna see. Let's do some nice quick shots here. Let's bring it a little bit more here to me. That's good. Let's do some nice quick shots. Let's do rockets. Rockets, are you ready, guys? 100 feet. I'm gonna, of course, choose myself and
3,
start. Let's go.
2,
1, 2,
1.
3, 1. Let's go. Start. And you see, guys, that's very nice. Let's look around there. Nice. Everything looks perfect here. Now it's gonna come back. Let's see what's happening. I'm here. It's gonna stay in the same place. Ah, that's good. In the same place. Nice. Let's do another thing. Let's do circle. Of course. Circle me.
3,
Start.
2, 1.
Some nice cinematic look. Look how nice. It's perfect. Really, it's perfect. Nice. You can do it a little bit up, I think. It's more better. Like this. Let's do another circle. Another one. Start.
3, 2, 1.
The same place. And you see the box on me. Jet shoes on me. That's perfect. Which one? What do you want to see, guys? Helix? You want to see Helix? Let's go to Helix. 80 feet is good. Choose me. Start.
3,
Go.
2, 1.
This is Helix. That's how you can see Helix. Kid, that's Helix. You can choose whatever you like. I choose like 80 feet. You can go 100, 120. This is automatic. You don't need to do it like manual. If you shoot a little bit high, okay, I see it. And now it's come back to me again. This is Helix. That's nice. Look at guys, it's perfect. Choo! Good. Let's choose another one from the Quickshot. Circle. Let's go Dronie. This is Dronie. Choose. Start.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Go. This is Dronie. I don't put it so much high. I don't want to see the tree. Because the tree is close. And let's come back. That's good. That's guys some nice shots.